Hey everybody, on today's episode we're going to unbox this Maxboost 300 watt power inverter. I don't know if you guys remember, but this is one of the items from the surprise Prime Day box. We're just finally getting around to opening it. If you haven't seen that video, click here. And if you don't remember, this is my wife. She's going to be helping us out with this video. Basically what this does is you plug it into your cigarette lighter of your car. So it's got two 3-prong plugs, say if you want to charge a camera, a laptop, something like that. But it also has two USB plugs that you can charge a phone or something like that off of. So we're going to go ahead and open it. Okay.
I'm excited about this one. Not that I'm not excited about the others, but I'm really excited about this.
So it's for the USB side, it's a 3.4 amp max on the charging side, and it's a 300 watt to 220 AC output. So don't try to run any super big tools or anything off of it.
It smells clean. I don't know what that means, but it does. Wow.
So you see here, it has these unscrewable knobs. So what you can do is, say you want to do something outside of your vehicle, say you have a tool that is the right power for this to run off of, you can buy a cable that is not a cigarette plug that will hook to either directly to your battery or to some other power cable inside the vehicle, so you can swap these out pretty easily and just pop the cable off. Seems pretty well made. It's a nice metal case. You've got your two plugs like we talked about before, and then your two USB plugs and a on-off power switch.
So, first I'm going to plug it into here. And turn it on, and then that lights up telling you it's got power. And I'm going to hook my laptop to it to test it. The reason we wanted this was because we have a long car ride to my family's house and just to where a number of people we know live. So on long car rides, if I want to do something on my laptop, I can plug it in and not worry about it dying, or we can have a bunch of stuff charging at the same time, and it's just super convenient for how long of car rides we have. And the biggest reason I've been wanting one was because of my laptop. So I'm gonna plug it in and then take the charging end around.
Normally you shouldn't use a laptop while driving, honey.
Yeah, I definitely would not do this while we were actually driving. Well, not while I was driving. I would do it while he was driving. So that means it's getting power. That it's lit up down there. And then you can see on the screen that's telling me it's charging up there. So we also are going to have to be careful about not charging stuff like that while we're parked and the truck is off, because that will drain the battery and then we'll have to jump start the car, all for charging stuff we're not using at the time. So unless the car is running and we're going somewhere, I'm not going to leave anything plugged into it.
One thing that I see that could be a problem with this is the shortness of the cord. You're going to have it pretty close to the dashboard, no matter where you put it. So you can probably buy a different adapter, just make a longer plug. Just make sure that your wire is sized correctly for the amount of power that's going through it. And also, when you install it in your car, make sure that make sure that the vent isn't up against something, so this little vent can breathe. And I'd even move the cables a little bit so that there's more venting for it, something like that. Also, another downside is there's no way to mount this anywhere. Some of the other ones that I saw had little like mounts in it where you can put screws and hook it to something. You could use like a double-sided tape or something like that if you wanted to. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to buy one of these, it'll be linked in the video down below. I'll put a couple different models and different power voltages in case you need a higher power, more than 300 watts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe if you are not already. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye.